What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our May 2020 FPV crate box, and what these are is pretty much a FPV subscription box. I think it's like $55 a month, and you can get your own box, and they send usually a good value for the money. They're usually $60 to $80 in the boxes, and you try to get like $20 in value or $30. They said they were advertising this one to be $100 plus in value for the May 2020 box. So if you are interested in subscribing to FPVCRATE, I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link. It does help to support the channel out. So let's go ahead and take a look to see what we got in this month's box. So it looks like right off the bat we got some stickers, freestyle quadcopters fly or die stickers. Cool. It says Stark. Okay. And then we got ourselves, looks like a Brain 3D. Use code STARK for 30% off store-wide prints. I don't know if I'm supposed to share that with you, but whatever. And then let's go here and see what kind of props we got this month. Looks like we got some set of watermelon props. So these are the S3 FX props, 3 sets. And then also, looks like for the boost this month, looks like we got a Stark frame. I'll see if I can leave like a little video on, like a little snippet for this video to see what the frame looks like. It's a freestyle frame, so that's pretty cool. It's very reminiscent of like a Alien or something like that type of frame. And then we also got TBS footage cradle, so this is where you put your SD cards in. Cool, I always can use one of these. And then we also got a Grip light, some Grip. Cool, looks like this is maybe made for the frame. But that should do it for this month's box. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought of this month's box. They were advertising it at over $100 in value. This frame, I guess, is a real expensive frame, I guess. I mean, I can get frames cheaper, so the value to me doesn't seem like it was that great this month, even though they advertised it as being over $100 in value. And then this is just a breakdown of what we got, and I got everything in the box, so it's not like I'm missing anything. But yeah, so subscribe to Viper FPV if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.